Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Helio Ring stopped recording health data. So, to revive your ring, what we can do is first attempt to unpair it from the smartphone. To do so, unlock your device, go to the Zepp application and open the device section. Then select Unpair here, confirm your choice. Tap Unpair once again. Wait until both devices are unpaired. Then you have to make sure that you removed the ring from the charging dock. Remove the cable from the charging dock too. Then insert the cable once again. Wait for 5 seconds until the white LED indicator stops glowing. Then carefully place your ring on the charging dock, and after that let's perform a factory reset operation of your ring. To do that, you're gonna have to locate the tiny pinhole next to your charging cable, then grab some pin-like tool and carefully insert it into this hole and press the button inside it. Wait until the LED indicator starts glowing red and keep holding the button inside. And once your LED indicator turns white, remove the pin tool from your pinhole. And after that, what we're gonna have to do is repair the ring with our smartphone by selecting Ring in Device and tap Next. Then let your smartphone locate your ring, tap Pair, wait until the device is paired, and at this point the issue is basically fixed or resolved. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.